And finally, my Meepo board arrives. And I dove straight into this thing like a kid on Christmas. Ow, ow. There we go. Yeah. Looking at some stickers. 100 millimeters? Oh! Here's the thing. And so I went at this thing, finally got it out of the box, and it looks good. Yeah. How about that, huh? And then I took some glamour shots for my totally mediocre Instagram page. That's chad.rainsfpv. Then I peeled off this little sticky thing, plugged it in, and I charged this bad boy up. Then grabbed my remote, turned on my board, and I hit the streets. Now, I wanted to take this board to a special place. A place that is near and dear to my heart. So, that's right. I got tacos. Glorious, beautiful, delicious tacos. And when I was done, I took me and my extra taco weight and headed up the biggest hill I could find. And this thing did pretty good. I mean, this hill is seriously no joke. Look at this. Then I brought it home, charged it up, showed it off to my girlfriend, my cousin, my nieces. Pretty much everybody in the neighborhood wanted to turn on this thing. And then the motor broke.
Still only one motor.
I have no idea what happened. I filed an email with Meepo, and I'm waiting their response. Please subscribe to find out what happens. Until then, I'll just be waiting too.